See, I don't know what happened today, but I know there is one issue in Vasco, wherein we have a property, and there were some 4 to 5 excess. Now this excess was used by the public for for the way for their houses and some bars and all that. So this issue was going for last 2 years. So we were trying to close the all the entry points. So what we decided, since there are four, right now we'll take a decision to close one. So maybe in that he must have gone there to close it up because the issue which is happening for last 2 years. So I need to go into detail of that issue just to find out because what happened today I really don't know. But I know that he was supposed to go to block or construct a wall which is giving entry to one bar. So I will.
So you are aware that your officer is going there.
Officer was supposed to go, but I don't know whether he went today or not. So I'll find out and let you know.
Why it is like sir, इंगा येलो तेरे Kashinath that इंगा relief झालं, whatever reasons may be. तिंगा गेलो तिंगा. Is it because he's doing good job? or what?
बरं ऑफिसरांक स्टॉप करता कारण
No, no.
एमएलएन तेका ते स्टॉप केलं काम
तिंगा
करपाक.
तिंगा तिंगा आता हिंगाय सांगता का relief जातलो कितले ते.
No, no. See, Taka relieve Corona. He is always appreciated by media and many people when we are trying to see the comments. Very good response and good comments were there. But you also are aware. Some of the media were questioning me, not openly like this, but on phone, how you all can take this step. It is affecting parents, it is affecting school, both ways. So I would say 50-50. 50% of the responses were good, 50% of the responses were bad. Therefore, government came to see how best we can help everyone. So government has given a relief in terms of time. They have never told, we will give them relief in terms of money. They have given relief in terms of time so that, public is not affected. So here, his stand is appreciated.
In this issue now, what is
In this issue also we need to say, again, this is also a sensitive issue. Actually, it's our property. So if you tell, if the stand is taken by Kashinath, it's the right stand, election department. But again, we need to see. I really don't know if this access is closed, whether the people who have built the houses, they have an alternate access or not. So all those things we need to be checked. Again, here government interference will be there. Being an MLA, he must have come. So there is nothing wrong. I will not say what Kashinath did is wrong. I will also not say what MLA sir has done is wrong. Because we need to say, because he will try to protect his people, because they also require to have an alternate way. Kashinath will try to do his duty, because if he doesn't do his duty, media and people questions. So these are, you have to balance it, and you have to see how we can resolve it by taking both the parties, public and the government and the department duty also.